The Battle of Bunker Hill, fought on June 17, 1775, was one of the first major battles of the American Revolution. Despite being a British victory, the battle demonstrated the determination and resilience of the American forces, setting the stage for a long and hard-fought struggle for independence. Prelude to the battle. After the skirmishes at Lexington and Concord in April 1775, tensions between Britain and its American colonies escalated. The Continental Army, under the command of General George Washington, began organizing and fortifying positions around Boston. To strengthen their hold, the American forces decided to fortify the Charlestown Peninsula, overlooking Boston Harbor. Under Colonel William Prescott, the Americans fortified Breed's Hill, often confused with the nearby Bunker Hill. The high ground provided a strategic advantage for controlling access to Boston and its harbor. The battle. On the morning of June 17th, British General William Howe launched an assault with approximately 2,200 soldiers. The British aimed to dislodge the American forces from their entrenched positions. The American forces, numbering around 1,500, waited until the British were within close range before opening fire, conserving their limited ammunition. The phrase, "don't fire until you see the whites of their eyes," is famously associated with this battle, underscoring the Americans' discipline and resourcefulness. The British made 3 frontal assaults. The first 2 were repelled with heavy British casualties. On the third assault, the American forces, low on ammunition, were overwhelmed and forced to retreat. Aftermath. While the British technically won the battle, it came at a tremendous cost. Of the 2,200 British troops, more than 1,000 were killed or wounded, a staggering casualty rate. American losses were lighter, but still significant, with around 400 killed or wounded. Significance. 1. Psychological impact. The heavy British losses shocked the British command and showed that the American forces could stand up to the professional British Army. 2. Rallying cry for independence. The battle boosted American morale and galvanized support for the revolutionary cause across the colonies. 3. Escalation of conflict. The Battle of Bunker Hill solidified the conflict as a full-scale war rather than a series of isolated skirmishes. Legacy. Though a tactical defeat, the Battle of Bunker Hill was a strategic and symbolic victory for the American revolutionaries. It demonstrated their resolve to fight for independence, proving that the struggle for freedom would be long, bloody, and fiercely contested. The battle remains a powerful symbol of the American spirit and determination in the face of overwhelming odds.